The new car could be officially launched in the fourth quarter. Judging by the official images released, the new car continues the livery design of the old model and will be available in 5 exterior colors including Interstellar Green, replaced with glossy metallic paint, dark night black, star K gray, Nebula White and Crescent. However, more specific information has not been released, but according to what Xpeng Motors Powertrain senior manager at Xpeng G9 previously revealed on social media, G9's facelift focuses on top-end cost performance, and its advantages will be retained. It also looks like the new Xpeng G9 will add black and white contrast interiors, dual 50W air-cooled wireless fast charging, a non-retractable water cup holder, and a built-in driving recorder. But at the same time, some configurations will also be reduced, including front seat rhythm, induction power tailgate, trunk curtain, rear seat massage, rear seat thigh adjustment, welcome floor lights and Dynaudio audio speakers. The purpose of this is to reduce costs, so that the new Xpeng G9 can achieve a lower price, improving the quality-price ratio and market competitiveness. For reference, the price range of the current Xpeng G9 is 309,900 to 469,900 yuan. In terms of power, for reference, the current Xpeng G9 offers single-motor rear-wheel drive and dual-motor all-wheel drive models. The all-wheel drive version is equipped with a silicon carbide 3-in-1 electric drive system. The maximum power of the system is 551 horsepower and the maximum torque is 717 Nm. The official 0 to 100 km/h acceleration time is 3.9 seconds, the maximum engine power of the rear-wheel drive version is 313 horsepower and the maximum torque is 430 Nm. The official 0 to 100 km/h acceleration time is 6.4 seconds. In terms of battery life, it offers 2 battery specifications with a capacity of 78.2 kWh and 98 kWh. The 570 model has a pure electric cruising range of 570 km, the 702 long-range model has a pure electric cruising range of 702 km, the all-wheel drive performance version has a pure electric cruising range of 650 km.